Jack in the Box, and we're gonna chill, enjoy some food, and I'm pretty sure they gave me a free cake because they recognized me. The guy took my photo, and he was like, "Is this awkward for you?" I'm like, happens every time. Not just Jack in the Box, everywhere, anywhere I go. I'm just like, you know, so famous. I don't know why. Okay, you guys, so click the link below to follow my Patreon. You'll get exclusive weekly videos about my life, plus tons of mukbangs not allowed on YouTube. Link below. That's heavy. Oh, I got the double Jack, which I've never had before. This is my first time trying Jack in the Box double cheeseburger. Isn't that crazy? I've had their sourdough melts. Brace! 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 Ah! That was not a fart. That was not a fart. Juice came out. Okay. Well, great. We're off to a traditional Nikocado. Brace! Brace, 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 brace. That was not a fart either. Oh my god. I forget. They gave me a free cake. Jack in the Box trying to get me diabetic. I don't have the beatus, but I could get the beatus if they hand me things like this. Cheapers creepers. Chocolate cake. Loaded. Overload. I've never had that before either. Okay, I should throw all the bags crumble because I'm gonna need them to discard all the food. Let's see what we have in here. I can't go with Jack in the Box without... Now, I did not get their breakfast burrito this time, but I should have. Instead, I got the egg rolls. I tried to be a little more minimal today in terms of, you know, in terms of what I was eating. So we got my sweet and sour sauces. We got my teriyaki sauce. I forgot barbecue. Great. Great. I forgot barbecue. This is not okay at all. We need some extra ranch because, oh my gosh, I have to brace again? What's happening to me? I swear I'm healthy. Everything is hot and steamy. I got 4 orders of curly fries. Oh, they stuck regular fries. I think Carl's Jr. has better french fries. But Jack in the Box has curly fries. I got 4 of them. They're in here. What's in here? This is not enough food. And a Buttery Jack. Guess who's gonna starve today? And this cost me 40 ding dong dang dong dollars. I should have gotten more stuff, you guys. What's happening? I'm literally sitting in smush. Housekeeping's gonna be very upset with me. All right, everyone, let's start the show. I'm actually starving. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to just indulge with you. I'm just like, just go all out. Except there's a fly. We're gonna go all out, except I didn't go all out. And I got a Sprite so I can have extra good burps for you. It's kind of really bad. I've been so into soda lately. And that's not a good, that's why I'm not that fat, if you think about it. I've avoided soda for like 5 years straight. Did you know this October will be my 7 years? Or no, my 6 years. My 6 years. I just completed my 5th year. Everything becomes a blur, let me tell you. So this October 5th will be my 6th years as a mukbang channel. Well, this is a newer channel. You guys, I got verified on this channel. I put that on my Instagram last night. Do you guys follow my Instagram? It's really hard to find. It's blacklisted or something. It's not growing. Oh well. But I do have, if you just type in Nikocado avocado _ real. And there I am. But the most dedicated, devout fans already follow me there. There's like 60,000 or something. So that's better than 0. It was at 0 for a while. All right, everyone, let's begin the show. I'm really excited. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bam. Okay. French fries. French fries. Can't even put everything here. Is this enough food? It better be. All right, let's start with an egg roll. We're gonna do sweet and sour. Ooh. Look at that. Let me show you. That tastes better than Panda Express. Man, it just soaks up all that flavor too. Look at this. That was a spiritual experience. Nips got cold. That was spiritual. That was spiritual. Okay, curly fries. Let's try it as is. These fell. I'm gonna get the ones that fell. They're on the table. It's clean. Don't worry. We have a lot of flavors today. Let's try all of them. That's some thick sauce. I think this is the honey mustard. No, that's the avocado lime ranch. It's, oh, I knew. Oh my God, it's kind of spicy, like me. Avocados are spicy. Warning, beware. Let's do more. Let's try all the sauces. Obviously, we all know a buttermilk ranch. I don't like when the fries get all like cut up. No. I'm starting to get a little angry. I like when they're like long. Yeah, where are the long ones? All right, let's do the teriyaki. This teriyaki sauce is incredible. Have you ever had teriyaki sauce from Jack in the Box? It's the strongest flavor of teriyaki on the planet. It just delivers a reaction. Ooh, here. Yay! What are we gonna do? Let's do this thing. Oh, it's doing a little bit of everything. Watch yourself, Ashley. This has been a peaceful, spiritual moment. Click the link below and get yourself a cameo where I'll make a special video just for you. Treat yourself or surprise someone else. It makes a great gift. Link below. Let's actually have a hash brown. Don't even look at me. Okay. We've tried a little bit of everything. I did not get enough food. All right, let's try these. This is my first time having it. I need to look real cute for this. So excuse me. We're gonna actually put it on the camera mode. We'll turn the brightness nice and good. Well, this is gonna be a thumbnail worthy. Okay. That teriyaki. Okay, so let's do a Buttery Jack first, which we know what it tastes like. This is the Buttery Jack. The bun's a little bit different from these two. I got 2 double cheeseburgers. The Buttery Jack has pepper jack, and the bun is supposedly buttery. And it's really simple. I asked for mayo and extra ketchup, and they delivered. It comes with tomato and lettuce. Onion, I don't know if there's onion in there. Whereas this has, ew, pickles. No wonder I've never eaten this before. Lots of lettuce, 2 slices of cheese, 2 slices of beef, and mayo at the bottom. They made it good for me. Let's do a Buttery Jack first. Oh my God. I love a Buttery Jack. I just love. I love these Jacks. I also love pepper jack cheese. You guys, when I stop eating cheese in my life, it will be one of the saddest days on earth, but I really have to stop. You know, it's kind of sad what they do to cows to make cheese, but let's not even talk about that. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I ate that whole thing. Let's do this. I'm gonna put it on camera mode, so My beautiful face is thumbnail at work. Excuse me. It might be too bright actually. Ow. Oh my gosh. I have to brace again. I know y'all get very nervous when it's time to brace. But my chairs get real nervous. Okay. Double cheeseburger. 2 slices of beef, 2 slices of cheese, lettuce, tomato, onions, pickles. Ugh. And for my little thumbnail pose, we're just gonna combine them to make like a little tower. Just for the thumbnail, to make it look better than it is. Like kind of just like, oh. Oh. Clickbait those peasants. Clickbait those peasants. Oh. Okay, let's actually just like go for it. Okay. That could have been an avalanche. Could have been an avalanche, Ashley. Oh, what did I just do? Did something naughty. Ooh. Ooh, here I go. Oh. Oh my God. I asked for extra sauce and they delivered. That's so, I like this more than McDonald's. Oh, oh my God, I'm so sorry. McDonald's, they branded me with my hairline. McDonald's is about to come kick my behind. So this is all wobbly now. This got bent in transit. Ugh. The airplane's fault. You guys, this is really good. Let's put this one back on. This is actually really good. Mmm. Why is this so good? How have I never had this before? And they have I've had their chicken sandwiches. I've had their tenders. I've had their chicken nuggets, which are so good. And the chicken tenders are big and thick. Very big tenders. Oh, man. Oh, man. So, I'm fat. I don't know why. Jack in the Box, man. Let's go for this. This is gonna be very intense. Wait for it. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. Here we go. Wait. Excuse me. This is my favorite fast food restaurant. It sucks it gets like no views for me. I mean, it gets views. This will get 200K by the end of the month, of course, but I mean like average views. I'm talking about, I want 2 million. No, people want to see me eat spicy noodles for 1 million views. But I want... That's intensity. That teriyaki is the most intense thing ever. Asia. Ooh. Tastes like Asia. Vietnamese spring roll. I would love to go back to Asia. Well, I'm currently in Malaysia, obviously, but I mean other parts. It hits you too. There's like a delayed second. Actually, all food's that way. Can I throw some shade? There's a mukbang channel. I don't know if she still does mukbangs. That I knew of years ago. And she was known by her audience for saying, the same millisecond the food touches her tongue. Like there's no like getting a chance to chew it, like the saliva break it down, thinking about it. No, it was just like instant. It was very forced. And it looked, excuse me, very obviously forced. I just burped. Someone just thanked me on Cameo for burping. Go look at my Cameo reviews, like the last one that someone just gave me today. They also tipped me $50, which was really nice of them. This was after they received their video. And they said, thank you for burping. It was a big bonus. I'm like, oh my God. People want to see me burp. See, when I do these cameos, they're very much in the moment. I just say what I say. I say what I like to do it in the moment too. And so sometimes I burp. One time I farted for this girl. She thought it was real funny, but still. Anyways, yeah, so I got tipped for burping. Oh yeah, so let me demonstrate what this YouTuber did. I think she quit mukbangs actually. This was years, like 3 years ago. She'd be like this. So I'll show you how I'll eat, right? There's a chance for your body to react. You give yourself a chance. So like this. Oh man, that's wet too. That's really good, see? And then the reactions are coming. The flavors are settling. You're getting to taste it. See? That's a nice normal delay. This is what she did, watch. Oh no, I don't want to ruin it with that because that's too amazing to me. Let's just use a French fry. She'll go like this. Guys. You guys, this was so good. I'm gonna try the spring roll, you guys. Oh my God, that's so good. That's what she did. I'm like, I gotta enjoy this. Listen, I understand people want to hear this, the mms, but then do some real mms. All right, let's do it. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so greasy. This has been such a chill video, hasn't it? This avocado lime ranch is good. It's spicy. Oops. I'm so grateful. Oop, I really have to poop. I'm so grateful to do what I do. Do I say it enough? Probably not. I just yell at you people. I really am. I sit here and I go, fart, fart, fart. Chocolate overload cake. They give this to me. Thank you, Jack in the Box. I think the manager chipped it in or something. Yeah, because it was handed to because they all started talking. The guy came and took my photo, and they all started in the kitchen. They're like, "Oh my god, it's like a really famous YouTuber. He has like 3 million followers. Oh my god, he's like viral on TikTok. He's like really famous. Oh my god." Well, thanks for doing a good job, everyone. Everything was on time. Everything was neat. Nothing was forgotten. And they really want me to have diabetes. So, okay, Jack in the Box, I see you trying to get me on that insulin. Excuse me. Don't look at me, Ashley. We're about to try. I should do this here. We're about to try this cake. Oh no. You know who would like this? My friend Candy. Candy loves sweets. I'm sure I've seen her literally eat this before. This is my first time. Did they give me a fork? No, they didn't. No, but diabetes it is. Okay. Okay, should I just use my fingers? All right. Ooh, it's wet. Oh my god, it's super moist. That is a moist wet. Oh god, it's falling. Oh. Oh. Okay, here I go. Abbie. Diabetes. 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 I have to poop. 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 Oh. Why do I have to poop all of a sudden? Okay. Oh. That's gonna be my next. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Nicholas, squeeze. Nicholas, squeeze. Nicholas, squeeze. Nicholas, squeeze. Nicholas, squeeze. Nikocado, squeeze. Nikocado, squeeze. Come on, come on, come on. Nikocado, squeeze. Nikocado, squeeze. Come on. Okay, I squeezed. Just bought myself 2 more minutes. You guys, I'll be right back. Oh. Well, hello, I'm back. I just pooped. And there's some beautiful vanilla spice. Spiced vanilla soap. I love soap. I never thought about soap, never really cared about soap. And it's usually females who are like really into smelly stuff, but I'm telling you, ever since last year when I was gifted soap, I love soap. I think of soap, I smell soap, I imagine soap, I want to collect soap, I want to really dive deep into soap, how soap is made, how it works. I love soap. So I just pooped and I'm kind of full. Especially after like walking and getting up. Let's see, I had basically 2 whole cheeseburgers, 1 double cheeseburger, 1 single cheeseburger. I had 2 whole egg rolls. I had 2 entire hash browns. I probably had at least 1 container worth of French fries. Because there were 4 here. Where's the other one? 1, 2, 3. Where's the 4th one? Oh, whatever, who cares? I had at least 1 whole one. And now I'm full. Now I'm sleepy. And this was so fun. Thanks for spending time with me. Thanks for keeping me well fed. I love soap. It's kind of crazy. Honestly, if you ever become my friend in real life, gift me really bougie soap. Like expensive, like $40, $50, $60 soap. $50 for little things. That would make me so happy. I want the best of the best. I want to collect soap. I want to make my own soap. I love soap. I love soap. I also like when it has like a manly scent, like musky, like woody, cinnamon, spicy. My favorite perfume that I bought for Orlin that I kind of just want to steal and keep it myself. I need to take it back from him. Is called, I don't even know what it's called. I got it literally from Perfume Mania at the mall. But it comes from Paris. Really affordable, like 40 bucks or something. 50 bucks. It's so strong. It lasts literally into the next day. I literally take a shower and I can still smell it on my skin. It's incredible. It's Eau de Parfum. So it's like high concentrate, but not all. I only buy that type of stuff anyway, and for usually never lasts more than a couple hours anyway. But this doesn't. It's that. Anyways, I'm trying to say it's spicy. It's like a spice. I already said this for YouTube, but I'm going to say it again. I could really get into aromatherapy. I feel like incense. I could really get, like, I smell something and my anxieties just start going away. It just makes me, I should just like smell flowers all day. You know what someone said to me yesterday, which I was like, that's kind of a good point. I'm gonna use cryptic language so smart people figure it out. The beep beep beep. A certain one of the beep 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 apparently is in billions of dollars of lawsuits for penalties for doing like inhumane criminal fines, literally. And my friend said to me, who did not get the beep beep beep, which I support, you do what you want to do. And they said to me, you know, if you go to get your car fixed from a mechanic and the mechanic has 1-star ratings and they've been sued like 5 times for malpractice, would you go give your car to them to fix it? No, you wouldn't. And then they said, would you go to a haircut that has tons of lawsuits against them for like literally jabbing people? It's not even funny. No, you wouldn't. You probably wouldn't. You probably would go pick someone else and be like, that's not someone that clearly works ethically. But in this circumstance, I don't know, it's just swept under the rug. I never thought of it like that. Sad. What are we gonna do, you guys? I'm just gonna eat and just like say, oh well. I'm gonna do what I'm supposed to do and just say, oh well, whatever happens, happens. Just eat my food and numb it all away. Honestly, I should just get into my aromatherapy. I'll take whatever beep, beep, beep. As long as I can smell soap all day, I'm happy. Just let me have my soap, please. And my perfumes. That's what it is. I like when hand soap smells like perfume. Okay, you're annoyed. Goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow, peasants. Hi, it's me. I'd like to thank all my patrons for supporting this video, and an even bigger thank you to my executive producers, Jamie Babycado, Princess Abbie, and C Butter. If you'd like to support my channel a little bit extra, or if you just want to see the real, unfiltered side of these videos, click the link in the description box and consider joining all of us over on Patreon. You'll get to see weekly videos and a much more candid side of me. Oh, and by the way, you have to be a grown-up to follow. Patreon's really for my closest followers only, and new openings become available on a first-come, first-served basis. So if you see an opening, hurry up. If you want to hear from me personally, get yourself a video directly from me on Cameo, where I can surprise you with a video straight to your phone or your computer. You can also hire me to tell off your friend. If you want more, check out my merch store and get yourself a Waterweight t-shirt. Patreon, Cameo, and merch are all linked in the description box. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.